Hello everyone, welcome back to Enginuity Lab. This is part 20 of our CATIA V5 beginner series tutorial, and today we shall deep dive into another essential dress-up feature in the part design workbench, the chamfer command or tool. Chamfer helps part manufacturability, assembly, safety and overall design quality. What is a chamfer? A chamfer is a beveled edge applied to the sharp corner of a 3D model. Chamfers are used for removing sharp edges, improve safety and ergonomics, enhance machining and manufacturability, guiding assembly components, giving the model a clean professional finish. So let's go and start it. Go to Start, Mechanical Design and Part Design. I am renaming this part as chamfer and click on OK. To apply a chamfer, first let's create an object. Select the XY plane and click on the sketch tool. Now we are into the sketcher workbench. Click on the rectangle section and select the center rectangle and create a center rectangle. Give the dimensions. Now I have a sketch ready and click on the exit workbench and give the thickness. Here I want to give it 20 mm. Also I will create another sketch in this face. Click on this face, click on the sketcher. Here I would like to create a make these 2 points coincidence, make this line horizontal, give the dimensions. I want these two lines to be symmetric to horizontal axis. This length will be 25. The length of this one from this circle will be 50. Make tangent this circle and this line and keep the this distance will be 20. Okay, now click on the exit workbench, select the sketch tool, give the thickness 10 mm. Now my sketches object is ready to apply the chamfer. So let's click on the chamfer tool available in the dress up feature toolbar. In chamfer definition window, we find two different mode for chamfer. One is length, one and angle. The length is the distance along the selected edge of to the edge of the bevel. The angle is measured with respect to length 1. Let's see. I am giving this length 1 and angle option I am selecting and give the length value, let's say 5 mm, and angle is 45 degree. This is by default, this is 45 degree. We can change this to as per our requirement, like 30 degree I am saying. and select the object. If I click on this one, you can see in the definition, this is the length. This will select this one. If you want to change the length, then click on here, then this will select the other face. This one is the length of the chamfer and this is the angle of the chamfer, and click on preview. You can see this is created 5 mm at 30° angle. Okay, next one is the length. So let's apply the length 1 and length 2. Here you can choose the length of the chamfer. For the length 1 means the first side, let's say 3 mm, and on the other side let's say 5 mm, and select the edge. Now in the preview you can see this is 5 mm to this face and 3 mm chamfer applied to this face. You can change its chamfer by clicking on the arrow. Right now when I click on this arrow, the length is applied to this, 5 mm length is applied to this one, and 3 mm length is applied to this face. Click on OK to create the chamfer. Okay. Sometimes we need to create the chamfer symmetrically. For that, what we can do, we can choose any mode by length angle or length. In length angle mode, if you want to create a symmetric chamfer where both sides the angles are same, then you can choose the length and the angle value should be 45°. When we applied the angle value as 45°, in both the sides the length are same, like here, and click on the object. You can see both the sides the length are same when we choose the 45° angle. Or you can do the symmetry by using the length HL, where we can give the length value h for both the length same value, and click on OK. Now you can see both are the same. Okay. While creating chamfer, we have noticed one thing, the propagation mode. Like fillets, chamfer have two propagation option. Okay, like we use on fillets, chamfers also have two different propagation option. Like here, let's select this one, 3 mm and 45°. This is the first one is with tangency and the second one is minimal. If I select the option minimal, with the minimal mode, and select the edge to apply the chamfer. In minimal mode, chamfer is applied only to the selected edge. Edge we know on fillet. So click on OK. This is applied only to the selected edge, not to the whole edge. If I change the propagation mode to tangency and preview, you can see this chamfer is applied to all the edges tangent to the selected edge. Click on OK. Now my chamfer is applied to the all the edges tangent to this edge. Okay. Fillet versus chamfer. Fillet and chamfer often complement to each other. Chamfers are better for mechanical and machining based design, while fillets are preferred for smooth transition. Okay, like here, we can apply chamfers to these edges, and we cannot apply chamfer to on this edge. Here we can apply fillets for better manufacturability and smooth transition. Troubleshooting chamfer failures. If chamfer fails, may be due to the below regions: very sharp or tiny geometry feature, overlapping chamfers, complex edge intersection, insufficient length to apply chamfer. You have to keep in mind these 4 points always, so that your chamfer may not fails. Or you can try a smaller value, reduce edge selection, overlapping chamfer, or apply chamfer by step by step. To summarize today's session, chamfer improves machinability and safety. Choose for chamfer. Choose the chamfers type based on your design requirement. Use length angle for general beveling. Use length for precise control. Use propagation to save time. Mastering chamfers helps you design clean, sharp and production ready parts. This is all for part 20 of the CATIA V5 tutorial series. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe to Enginuity Lab. Stay tuned for the next session where we cover the draft. Thank you for watching Enginuity Lab. See you in next video.